Good morning. Welcome all to the math class. In the last class, we just started our new chapter, Algebraic Expressions and Identities. We learned the basic terms of an expression. Hope you all understood the terms, factors and coefficients of an expression. Yes? Okay. We have also expressed the terms, factors and coefficients in an easy way. I think you have learned it from your 7th standard. Yes, we can express the terms and factors of an expression through a tree diagram. Now, do you remember the method? Tree diagram? Yes. Anyway, I will show you a tree diagram to express the terms and factors of an expression. Okay, here we have the expression 4x square y square minus 4x square y square z square and plus z square. We have an expression having 3 terms, isn't it? This expression has 3 terms. First term, second term, third term. So, we need to express the terms and factors through a tree diagram. So, the first step is, first draw a line and divide the line into 3 parts. That 3 parts representing the 3 terms. Okay, here we have 3 terms. So, we divide this into 3 parts. So, this is the first step. Just draw a line and divide into 3 parts. And each part represents the terms of the expression. So, here we have the first term. 4x square y square. Then second term, what is the second term? Yes, minus 4x square y square z square. And the third term is z square only. Okay, so these are the 3 terms of this expression. Next, we need to represent the factors of each term. Okay, factors means the product of the constants and variables of a term is called its factors. Okay, so first term having how many factors? X square means 2x, x into x. Y square, y into y. So total first term has 5 factors. So we can divide this term into 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 lines indicate the 5 factors of the first term. So, first factor 4, x, x, y, y are the factors of this first term. Okay, like second term has how many factors? X square, y square, z square. So, 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6. Plus constant. That is minus 4. So, total 7 factors. So, we need to draw 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more line. Okay, just divide into 7 lines. Okay, here I draw the 7th line. Now, write each factor. First factor minus 4, then x, then y, double z. So, these are the factors of the second term. Okay, now third term has only 2 factors, so we need to draw 2 lines. The z are the 2 factors of z square. So this way of representing terms and factors is known as tree diagram method. Now it's clear? Is it easy to represent the terms and factors? Now you can easily find out the coefficient of each term. The first term, coefficient means the numerical factor of a term is called its coefficient. So, this term having the numerical factor 4. So, coefficient of first term is 4. Coefficient of second term is minus 4. Now, what about the third term? What is the coefficient of this term? Here the numerical factor is z, which means 1. Okay, so 1 is the coefficient of the third term. Okay, so you can express the terms and factors using this method. This method is called tree diagram method. Tree diagram method. Okay. Now, today's topic. Today's topic is addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. We have also learned how to add and subtract algebraic expressions in your earlier classes. While adding or subtracting polynomials, first took the like terms and add or subtract them first. Then handle the unlike terms. That is the method. First took the like terms, then add or subtract, whatever may be the operation, then handle the unlike terms. That is the method to add or subtract polynomials. Okay, anyway, let us illustrate the addition and subtraction rules through examples. First example, listen. First we need to add the expressions. Seven x square, add 7x square minus 4x plus 5 and 9x minus 10. So this is the first question. Add these two expressions. 7x square minus 4x plus 5 and 9x minus 10. So what is the step? So there are two methods to add expressions. One method is as similar as usual, our numbers, whole numbers. Write one number and write the next like term below that term, then add. Okay, as usual, how to add numbers 235, 145, this way. Like, you can write the like terms, first expression, then write the like terms of the second expression given below, then adding. Okay, so that is very difficult to arrange the like terms in this way because the expression having more terms, it is very difficult to arrange the like terms like this. Okay, so just leave that method. I will teach you a simple method to add or subtract polynomials. Okay, this is the easiest way. So you can follow this method. So this method is, here we need to add these two numbers. Just add these two expressions. So you write the expressions using the plus symbol. That is the first step. Write the expression using the plus symbol. So just write the expression as 7x square minus 4x plus 5 plus this. We need to add this number, this expression to this expression. So put plus, then write the second expression 9x minus 10. That is the first step. Clear? Just write the expressions using plus or minus symbol. Okay, now what is the next step? I already told you, while adding or subtracting polynomials, first we need to arrange the like terms together. Then only we can add. Okay, so look at the expression and take out the like terms. So here the first term is 7x square. First term is 7x square. No other like terms having variable x. So this is the one term, only one term. So no need to change that term. You just write the term 7x square itself. Now look at the remaining terms. Is there any like terms? Yes, here minus 4x and here we have plus 9x. So these two terms are like terms. Like terms means having same variable or having same powers. Okay, so here the variables are same. Constants are different, no problem. That need not be equal in a like term. So just take the like terms minus 4x plus 9x together. Just write down the like terms together. Okay, now the remaining numbers are plus 5 and minus 10. What do we do here? Nothing, just arrange the like terms together and unlike terms after that. Okay, now solve or simplify the expression. Here first term 7x square, no other like term, so write that term itself 7x square. Now look at these two terms. What are they? Yes, they are like terms, minus 4x plus 9x, having same variables. So here we use the integer addition and subtraction rules. Okay, so variables no need to add. Do not add the variable, just add the numerical factors only. Okay, so x and x are variables. X is the variable of these two terms. So add the numerical factors. That means minus 4 plus 9. What is minus 4 plus 9? Use the integer addition rule. One is plus and one is minus symbol. So what we do? Yes, here we have subtract the numbers and put the greater number sign. Isn't it? Okay, so 9 minus 4 equal to 5. While subtracting the numbers, we will get 5. Then the sign is plus because the greater number is 9. It has plus sign. So our answer is plus 5x. Just simplifying these two terms, we will get plus 5x. Now, next terms. Look at the next terms. 5 minus 10. Constant terms. No variable. So, easy to subtract. 5 minus 10 means, yes, same way. Subtract the numbers and put the greater number. So, 10 minus 5, 5. And the greater number sign is minus. So, this is the result of addition. While adding these two expressions, we will get the result 7x square plus 5x minus 5. Now it's clear? Is it easy to add? Yes, it is very easy to add. Okay, just join the like terms and simplify. You will get the result. Okay, now next I will show you how to subtract two expressions or two polynomials. This way you can add 3 expressions, not 2. You can add 3 or 4 expressions the same way. Just join all the terms, then arrange the like terms together. Okay, then after that handle the unlike terms. Okay, now subtraction. Subtract 5x square minus 4y square plus 6y minus 3 from 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. Long expression having many terms. So we need to subtract these two expressions. And the question is given, subtract this expression from this expression. What is the meaning of from? Yes, we have to subtract smaller number from the bigger number. That is from means. Here the from number is this. From expression is this one. And subtract this from this expression. So first we have to write the from number. Okay. So write the expression as 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. First expression. Now we have to subtract this expression. First expression from the second expression. So put a minus sign here. There. Subtract second expression. So while doing subtraction, if the expression having more terms, you must put a bracket. If the expression having more terms, okay, already actually we subtract two numbers, one number from another number. Here we are going to subtract these terms from this expression. So just put a bracket. Bracket means what? Into. Okay, so what is the multiplier here? This minus. Okay, anyway, let's write that minus number here. Minus, put a bracket, write the second expression as 5x square minus 4y square plus 6y minus 3. Close the bracket. Why do we put this bracket? Because here we have many terms. We need to subtract all these terms from this expression. Okay, so you must put a bracket. If the sign is, if we doing subtraction, addition no problem. Okay, no need of that bracket because addition plus all are plus. Here we are multiplying this minus sign with this expression, all terms of this expression. That's why we put a bracket. Okay, so So first expression, same expression. So first write the same expression. Do not change any term. Just write the first expression same. Plus 5x minus 3y. Same expression. First expression. Now we are going to change removing the bracket. Removing the bracket means multiply this minus sign with all this sign. Okay. All the sign of this terms. Or just change the sign. Like that. Okay. In order to remove the bracket, you just change the sign of the terms. So here 5x square actually means what? Plus 5x square. Inside the bracket it is minus. Okay, so this is 5x square. So that 5x square becomes minus. We change the sign. Minus 5x square. Actually here minus 4y square. So what is the sign? Just change the sign. That means minus into minus become plus 4y square. Then next term plus 6y. While removing the bracket, we can change the sign. So minus 6y. And last term minus 3 becomes plus 3. That is a simple way. Okay, just removing the bracket, you just change the sign of all the terms. That's only. Actually the process is the multiplying this sign with all terms of this bracket. Okay, minus into 5x square minus 5x square. Minus into minus 4y plus 4y square. Minus into plus 6y minus 6y. Minus into minus 3 plus 3. That is the process, but just change. Okay, now so we removing the bracket. Now we need to arrange the like terms and unlike terms. Okay, that is the next step. So just identify the like terms from the expression. Okay, look at the first number 7x square. X square having the variable x square. So look at find out the x square like terms here. Is there any other x square term? Yes, look at the expression. Yes, here we have one more x square term, that is minus 5x square. So take that minus 5x square and write here. So these two are like terms, x square terms. Now take next y square term. That is easy. Y square. Here one y square term. Any other y square? Yes. Here we have next y square term 4y square. So write down that two terms 8y square plus 4y square. Both are plus sign. Okay. Now next xy term. Is there any other xy term? Look, no, only one xy term, that is minus 4xy. Okay, write that term itself. Now, next, so these three terms are over. Next, variable x, that means having variable x. So, here one x term. Any other x term? No. So, just write that x term, only 5x. Now, look at the next term, minus 3y, y. Check the expression and any other term having y variable? Yes, minus 3y, minus 6y. Yes, write down that like terms like minus 3y, minus 6y. Both are minus y. Okay. Then, what about, is there any other number? 3y over, all are over. Next remaining plus 3. So, we change the expression as like and unlike terms. Now, solve the equation. Solve the expressions. Okay. That means add or subtract. So, look at the first two like terms. 7x square minus 5x square minus. Here we need to subtract 7 minus 5. Okay. Variable is x square. So, what is 7 minus 5? Yes. 2x square. Just subtract the numbers only, coefficient only. Do not subtract variables. So, 2x square. First term. Now, look at the next two terms. Y square term. What about? They are plus signs. Having plus signs. Plus 8, plus 4. Becomes, yes, plus 12y square. Okay, clear? Just to simplify the like terms. First that two terms. Next these two terms. So, 12y square. Now, Next term is an unlike term, no other term. So just write that term. Do not change the term. Minus 4x. Now, next also an unlike term plus 5x. So write that term itself. Now, what about these two terms? They are like, having the variable y, and both are minus sign. So here the operation is plus. So minus 3 plus minus 6, minus 2 minus comes, it is minus 9y. Minus 9y. Isn't it? Okay, then last term plus 3. So this is the result. Okay, clear? Just subtract. That means arrange the like terms and unlike terms. Then just solve it. Okay, simplify, reduce or reduce. So this is the result. Now it's clear. Okay, addition and subtraction of polynomials. This way you can add or subtract other polynomials. Okay, the method is just arrange the expressions like terms first and unlike terms. Next, okay, then solve. Solve means add or subtract the constant terms. Do not add the variables. Just add the numerical factor. That means coefficient of each term. Okay. Now it's clear. Any doubt? Okay. Anyway, I will clear your doubt. I will explain it in the online class. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.